In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a conversion rate in Looker Studio reports. Let's start by opening Looker Studio. Now, with Looker Studio, you can either use pre-configured key event metrics from Google Analytics 4, also known as GA4, or create a custom field for your specific needs. If you're working with existing key events, you want to add a scorecard and select the Session Key Event Rate metric from the menu. Once selected, ensure you format it appropriately as a percentage to make it readable and informative. For those interested in custom events, it's just as straightforward. Begin by adding a scorecard. From there, you'll want to click on Create Field. Now enter your desired formula, typically the event count divided by sessions. If you have a particular event in mind to track, you'll need to add a filter specifying that event. This setup allows you to tailor the conversion rate metrics specifically to what matters most in your reports. Next, we will go over using GA4 key events. First, in Looker Studio, you'll need to select or add a scorecard chart to your report. Look over to the Setup panel, and there you'll see the Metrics section. Clicking on the current metric will open a menu. Here, you can search for the specific event metric you're interested in, such as Session Key Event Rate, Purchase, among others. If your goal is to display the overall conversion rate for all key events, then selecting the Session Key Event Rate is your best bet. Once you've made your selection, look for the format icon, which usually resembles a small pen or even sometimes a $sign. Click that and change the display format to %. Ensuring it's displayed as a percentage offers clear insight into your data. Now let's discuss how to calculate a custom conversion rate. Start by adding a scorecard to your report. Navigate to the Setup panel once more and click Create Field. Here, you'll want to give this new field a unique name, something identifiable, like Custom CVR, for instance. In the formula box, you'll enter your calculation, the standard being event count divided by sessions. Once you've entered your formula, click the format icon and again change your display format to % for clarity. Finally, if you're aiming to compute the conversion rate for just one specific event, a filter will be necessary. Under the Filter section in the Setup panel, click on Add a Filter. You'll create this filter by naming it, let's say Specific Event, and setting up the condition to include only your desired event name. For example, set it so that the event name equals your specified event name. This is a crucial step if you're fine-tuning your metrics to focus on particular aspects of your data. And that's how you effortlessly add conversion rates to your Looker Studio reports, whether it's for existing key events or custom ones. By following these detailed steps, you ensure your analytics are both insightful and customized to your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.